In this video, we'll learn to recognize quadratic functions. So these are all quadratic functions. As you can see, they are smooth curves. They're not straight lines, or they don't have any other shapes, like this one here, for example, or this one here. So you can see that it's a smooth curve, almost like a U or an N when it's upside down. Also, always quadratic functions have x squared in them. They could have a coefficient in front of it, and they could be negative as well. So this could be 3x squared or negative 3x squared. But they're different from other functions like linear ones, for example, where you get something like this. The power is only 2. It can't be 3 or higher, because then we go into cubic functions and so on.